Kati ze kyembadde ngamba mu Luzungu. Please the members, which one you have a Sambas, Greenies Mira, you have a kids, and the neighbors you have a kids. Don't leave the kids go to the Samba when stubborn those things. Put it the mouse started eating. There is somebody when you have the neighbors have a kids. When the kids started eating those things, put it the mouse started eating. They are going to stubborn another kids. Even to go to school started fight for them. Oh, those things not kids. It's not fine. Also those one. We're going to take those the kids, which one should put it to the car to go to the Samba, put it on to the prison, bring the chain, take it up to the prison. That's mine.
What is your name?